Hello everyone. In this video we will done the in-front review of TVS Ronin 225 bike. Now this bike is available in all the TVS local showrooms and the looking or design of this bike is really good. It get modern retro look and we can clearly see the hype of this bike in Indian market. Basically it is a top variant of TVS Ronin 225 bike. The on-road price of this top variant is 2,05,000 rupees. The top variant is offered with dual tone color options and overall the looking of this bike is really good. In the front section of this bike it get round shape LED headlamp and signal turn indicators as well. And in the mid section of this bike it get curvy design fuel tank and the fuel tank capacity of this bike is 14 liter and single seat black dot effects on body panels. And in the rear section it get grab rail, tail light and signal turn indicators, and the indicators are placed both the sides of the nameplate. So this is the basic features. After that, talking about the key features of this bike, TVS Ronin 225 bike get digital instrument cluster and the cluster will offer a lots of features like speedometer, odometer, tachometer and Bluetooth connectivity. And a TVS Ronin bike also get TVS SmartX connection system, so we can easily connect our mobiles with the help of Bluetooth connectivity to the TVS Ronin bike. Then it get message alert, call alert and we can easily navigate as well. Apart from this, let's see the hardware configurations of this bike. The TVS company is offered alloy wheels on both the ends and it also get tubeless tire. And the braking duty of this bike is handled by the disc brake. In the front section it will be get 300 mm disc brake and in the rear wheel it get 240 mm disc brake. And in terms of suspension duty, the suspension duty is handled by in the front section the upside down fork suspension and in the rear section it get monoshock absorber suspension. So both the suspensions is the best suspensions which gives smooth and comfortable riding experience and better handling and control as well. So after that, let's see in the engine specifications of this bike. The company is offered 225cc engine and this engine is capable to generate a peak output power of 21 PS and 20 Nm peak output torque as well. And a TVS Ronin bike also get 5-speed manual gearbox. So definitely it will provide the best performance and best riding experience. And the looking and design of this bike is really good. It get modern retro look, so it will attract the audience by its looking and design. So this is the review of this bike. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.